when we were hosting the G20, we had planned an elaborate menu at his banquet that he would give, course after course. We had planned a huge cultural program which would involve 400 artists. Prime Minister Modi said, look, I have been to 8 or 9 G20 summits. I've been to so many international events. By the time you come to all this, people have had a long day. They've traveled across the world. They're very tired. All they want is some time to spend with each other. So let us not waste time and effort doing things elaborate. Have a simple dinner. Have a simple program in which it's a background. You have background music where they can continue to talk. And sure enough, all of us didn't think we said they're coming to India, they should have the best in culture, best of food, etc. But when we came down, we realized at the end of the day, 8:30, some leaders are coming in. What the Japanese ambassador told me, he said that what happens with leaders is that after some time when they just get up and they leave because they're so tired, etc. And we had a G20 summit in which most of the leaders left before the dinner ended and the cultural program ended. But in our program, the leaders came, sat down. It was a very tight schedule of meals. You got your course, you finished it, second, and not more than what you need. Just enough, not less, not too much. It was completely tasty, but nice, but simple. You had a musical program in the background. So we never had a situation where people were compelled to get up and leave. People felt it was so long that they could not manage this thing. Because these are world leaders, they're traveling everywhere. At the end of the day, it's already 9:30, 10, you would need to go home and rest. So Prime Minister Modi understood that pulse. That also was something quite extraordinary.